Hello puzzle friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ingrid and this is Ingrid Loves Puzzle, and I'm excited for this video because it's my video where I am actually sharing with you guys how I felt and what was my actually experience at the World Jigsaw Puzzle Championship 2024, and it was my first time participating. And oh my god, I have so much to say. So much emotions. There was so much going on. What can I say is that my emotions were so high that in some nights I couldn't sleep, and also I didn't film too much. Yeah, we had problems with our travel. Yeah, it was an experience. It was a very fun experience. Okay, so joining the World Jigsaw Puzzle Championship, it's amazing. Being there, trying to puzzle there. Um, yeah, there's just so many things. I'm not sure what to start with. So I will kind of go as day by day, maybe. Yeah. Anyways, so in the first day, I actually so our plane was leaving at 6 a.m. Tuesday, and our first plane. And yeah, on Monday I did the packaging. I edited that video with how many puzzles did I train before Worlds, which is, I think it's a lot, it's much say editing, because I didn't have enough time and I just only put them all there together, just the time lapses, so you can see the puzzles, but I didn't add details about them. Actually, someone wrote me a comment that it should be great if I add puzzle information in the description or somewhere. Yeah, and I actually did that, so thank you so much for your feedback. I wasn't aware that I forgot to put that information there, and yeah, on the video it's kind of hard to actually know the name of the puzzle, and yeah, maybe some of you want to try them. Yeah, I will make sure to put the description of all the puzzles I will talk here. Okay, so yeah, our plane was leaving at 6. I think I finished with all I had to do, like around 22 p.m. Monday, and I couldn't sleep. So I took a shower, then I got to bed, and I was like, okay, I need to be at 4 a.m. in the airport. At 3 a.m. we should leave from home. I still have 2 hours. I can sleep those 2 hours, yes. But I couldn't sleep. I was so nervous, and yeah, we actually arrived at the airport. I'm not sure what time it was, but I couldn't sleep at all. And yeah, I was thinking about it. So that day was the opening ceremonies. I was thinking I can sleep in the plane. Yeah, and the first thing that we did in the airport was to actually bought some coffee. I bought for me some coffee, so that was quite, I couldn't sleep, but I bought coffee. Anyways, ora 3. Suntem în aeroport. Bine, și aveam de parcă la 6. Poate că am ajuns un pic prea devreme, dar nu mi-a somnul. Și am zis că mai bine decât să adormim să ne mai trezim. Mai bine mergem la aeroport. Așa că ce faci când nu dormi? Îți iau cafea, evident. De asta mă așteaptă să-mi iau o cafea. Da, aventura noastră spre Valladolid începe. Pregătit? Ce? Te filmi? Pe noroc! Deci, evident că am ținut tentații și mi-am cumpărat ciocolata preferată. E un pic mare, dar e ok. Încă o oră și în sfârșit plecăm din Madrid. M-am plictisit. E ok. E ok. O să ajungem curând. Abia aștept. The traveling, I had a mistake in organization. Well, not a mistake, but I was aware of it. So we had a flight from Bucharest to Munich, then from Munich to Madrid, and from Madrid we had to get a train from Madrid to Valladolid, and it was quite interesting because I saw some tickets available at some hours, but I was afraid I won't be at the time in the station because I didn't know where the station was. On internet I saw that you can get the train from the airport, but in reality it's not that way. Okay, so now we are closer. Let's continue. Okay, so from Terminal 2 to Terminal 4 we had to get a bus. We actually get down in the wrong station, then waited again, they moved us to another bus. It was complicated, but we finally found the Terminal 4, and then when talking to the information we realized the next train didn't have any tickets left, and we had to wait for the fourth train or something. And also it was like the one that costs too much, like the I can't get the word right now. It was the expensive one, like the most expensive tickets. But we finally managed to get in the train, and we missed the opening ceremonies, and we didn't eat quite well, and yeah. Now we stay at a hotel that is named Conte Anzures. It's a 4-star hotel. It is very nice. I will show you the room. But yeah, I filmed the room when we were leaving, because that was when I actually remember. But from the train station, it was 30 minutes or maybe more. Yeah, I think so. Not sure. But when I booked the hotel, I looked at the traveling distance from the hotel to the actually to the dome, to the Millennium Dome, where the World Jigsaw Puzzle took place, and I saw 30 minutes, and I was like, okay, 30 minutes on walk, it's not that bad. Yeah. The only thing is that we have a car, and we when we are looking for distances, we are looking for distances by car. I didn't realize that when I looked for the hotel that it was by car and not by walking. And for walking was like 45 minutes or something like that. It was like, yeah, and I realized that when we actually got to the Valladolid station, Campo Grande, I think that's the name. And yeah, I saw that the distance is actually 40 minutes, and from the hotel to the Millennium Dome, I was like, oh no, why? And we had to go there to check in because I made the check-in with the booking, and I wasn't sure. Well, I paid it, and I wasn't sure about it actually because I don't know. We could have problems, like we had problems all the way there. The flight from Munich to Madrid was delayed because it was overbooked, and they were looking for volunteers to actually want to get to the next plane. And yeah, it was actually an adventure. Now, if the um, World Jigsaw Puzzle 2025 will be also in Valladolid, I know much more things, but I do hope it will be in another location. Not because I didn't like the location, just because it was nice to discover a new city and actually a new country while going to the championship for puzzling. It was very nice, and yeah, if the location will change, I will have the experience again, that experience again. But yeah, I need to pay more attention on planning. Yeah, so we didn't arrive on time. It was 8 p.m. actually when we arrived at the hotel, and yeah, we were so hungry. We ate something, and that was it. And also tired because, as I said, I didn't sleep. I sleep a little in the plane, but not too much. Yeah, it was quite a challenge, but I was so happy because we were in Valladolid. The sad part was that the next day, um, they also had a quiz in that day at the dinner, but we didn't participate. We missed the opening ceremonies. Anyways, the next day we had tourist tour in the city planned by 11, and from the mail, I really understood that the actually um, tour is by bus. I don't know why. Uh, but that's what that I understand. And also it says there that I need a Valladolid card, tourist, a tourist card, which is 10 euros or something. But because you are participating in the world, you can get that for free for that day, and you need it to the tour. But in order to get that card, you needed the accreditations from the words, and that was given in the first day after the opening ceremonies, which we missed. So early in the next morning, the day two, it was Wednesday, uh, before the word, uh, um, before the record of the attempt, we got to the Millennium Dome. We saw them. I was like, so in the moment I reached the Millennium Dome, I was so happy. I don't know. I had a feeling like, oh, I am already here. Finally, it's an amazing feeling. Yeah, but it was closed because they had at 11 the world Guinness World Record attempt, and yeah, before that it was closed, and we didn't get the accreditations. But we were like, okay, let's find that tourist office and let's pay for the card because we really want to go to that tour because we already signed and yeah, and I wanted to see a little of the city. So we got to the tourist center. We had some issues finding it because on Google Maps it says it's in some place, but it's not in that place actually. But we find it and it was very nice. We got the cards, but I actually filmed something about that. Let me show you. Okay, so we missed the opening ceremonies and we didn't have the accreditation and we need to get a card. I mean a card. Yes, a card so we can actually go and visit something. And yeah, we needed the accreditation to get the card for free because we are participating. And you know what? They give us the card without paying based on the email, so I'm so happy right now because yeah, I was there and I wanted to pay it because I want to visit, and they said, oh no, if you have the email I will give it for free, and I'm like, yay! Yeah, so now we'll have a coffee. See you later. Okay, so we got the cars for free. That was amazing. And then we get back to the dome. Also meet Manda and get the t-shirts for the teams category. And yeah, we were still waiting for that bus, but lucky enough we saw a group of people, and one of them was having a mic and was talking, and I was asking, and they were the tour, and it was actually a walking tour, which we didn't expect. Also, I need to say that in Romania we have markets like everywhere, so you need to walk like 5 minutes, or I don't know, maximum 10 minutes, and you will find market and you could buy water. I didn't saw markets on Valladolid, so it was a walking tour and we didn't have water. At some point we actually considered to not continue because I'm working from office, my husband is driving, and yeah, we are not such active persons, and doing an effort like walking for 2 hours in the sun, it's after we just sit, it was quite a lot for us. Yeah, I was so tired at the end, but so happy. I'm so happy I didn't. I continued because I saw amazing buildings. I received amazing information, and yeah, it was just amazing. Yeah, I just love it. I'm so happy we didn't. We continued the tour, and I also have some pictures and some um, movies, videos from that. Let me show you that.
Cântala.
Okay, but first we're going to visit the special place of Valladolid, the 19th century town. Okay?
O, să și vizităm ceva cu tine. Este o galerie.
Everything is original, like frescoes, three here.
Hmm? Oh. Ecco, non si vede bene il microfono.
And here we have one of the oldest university libraries. Okay, along with Salamanca, okay, we have also one of the oldest libraries. You can approach it, there's a glass.
Okay, so the tour was nice, but we didn't find water. Then it was actually closer to the dome, and we got to the dome and get our accreditations. So what I want to say is that we find out that the bus for the hotel is right next to the dome, and we actually get in the bus, but we didn't check the last station. So the bus that we took, it was not the right one, and it let us for 20 minutes to walk to the hotel, and it was sun and we didn't have water. So we arrived at the hotel so thirsty and so tired. our initial plan was to get to the hotel, eat something, change, and then come back to see the first individual qualification rounds. But we were so tired we didn't manage to do that. But and that was our day. But I want to show you what we got in the accreditation bag, because I do think that it's so nice. The little extra stuff and the way they organized it, I feel that it was so well organized and so special. It was a special event for me. So every participant will get a bag, which looks like this, but it's not that full. I have a lot of things on it in it actually. Yeah. So one of these I will show you later. So yeah, I have two of them because my husband also got an accreditation because he was participating. And yeah, they give us this cute thing. I actually didn't try it. How do I look? Yeah, and yeah, it says World Jigsaw Puzzle Championship. And yeah, I also got here all my bags. So previously I didn't have any Ravensburger bag for the puzzle. I think now I have 4 of them, and yeah, I am so happy I actually have bags. I now can practice for real, like putting the new puzzle and open in the bag. And yeah, anyways, what do I still have here? Okay, so I have all the numbers for participation. Yeah, I will show you when I will show you the puzzles. Okay, one thing we got from the accreditation bag was this flyer with a puzzle piece. And yeah, it says that you can go to a place and try the puzzle piece, and if it's the one who fits, because the puzzle is missing one piece, then you will win the puzzle. But we didn't have the time to actually go there, so yeah, we still have it, and I actually wanted to keep it and show you. Also, this is a pretty card. Yeah, it has. This is a gift from Puzzle Association Turkey. World Jigsaw Puzzle Championship 2024. Yeah, it's a very, very beautiful postcard, which I got in the qualification route on the table when I was participating. Also, this year they gave us this kind of thingy, which you can make it this way, and you can actually put the puzzle box in. Yeah, it's a puzzle box holder, so if you didn't have one, you can just put it right here and the puzzle stays, which I find it quite nice, quite a nice detail. Yeah, very amazing. And I keep them all. I think I have some of them. Yeah, these are actually the accreditation, and one is mine and one is from my husband. And I also got only a pin, since I was missing the opening ceremonies the first day and so on, from Vesna. I'm so happy I got her pin. Yes, I'm so happy. Thank you, Vesna. It's amazing. It's her duck feet. Yeah, and I realized I didn't prepare anything, and yeah, for next year I should have some pins or something. But yeah, this is quite cute. I really love it. Also, it was needed because they promised that if you participate in the individual round, for example, and let's say you don't qualify, in the fee for the when you register, I think I paid only 40 euros because I registered in January. You will get both the puzzle for the qualification round and the puzzle from the semi-final. And to get the puzzle from the semi-final, if you didn't qualify and you're not participating, obviously you need to have this, and they will scan your code, and based on that you'll receive your puzzle. Another thing they gave us, I know that this is just my timer. Yeah, so as I said, I have puzzle hoarders to more because I participate 3 times single, but I will tell you more about that. I have some train tickets. Okay, so they give us a map. I think this is a map, or yeah, map of Valladolid boat, and I think in this here, yeah, some point of interest for you to visit if you want, which I find it pretty nice, but but I didn't use it at all. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I didn't plan the trip very well, and I didn't think about the how tired we will be. It's an amazing event, but it's so tiring at some point. Yeah, and our um, travel was so long, and yeah. Anyways, also we also have a voucher to make our puzzle, my Ravensburger puzzle, and we have this thing here, which yeah, welcome to the World 2024. Okay, so I will put a picture of this because I find it quite interesting. So this was the 5th edition of the World. It says here, yeah. We also have a welcome welcome message from Ravensburger director. Yeah, you know, I didn't open them when I was in Valladolid. I am opening them now. And also we have the schedule, but I was always checking it on the website. And yeah, exhibition hall. We didn't have time for that. This is talking about the world record attempt, which so I had an amazing time on it. For 40 under 50 minutes, 45, 46, I'm not sure. 49, I think it was 49. Yeah, that's amazing for a 2000 piece puzzle. Yeah, and also we have the rules stated, and I think that's it. Yeah, very nice. We also got this, which I don't know what is this, but I think it's, yeah, it's talking about things in you can visit in Valladolid, which is quite nice. I will read and see. And also has a map and see if any information could be posted in those videos that I made in the tour. Yeah, and that was all. I have here some foam boards that I got with me, and I also bring and bought actually a very pretty fridge magnet, which is this one. Yeah, we'll put a closer picture, and it says World Jigsaw Puzzle Championship, Valladolid, Spain, and it has the puzzle piece. Yeah, I found it so cute. A little bit expensive, but so cute. I was like, I want this. I was telling my husband, I want it. Yeah, but you see the price. Yes, I know, but I want it. And I got it. Yeah, I actually buy this in the day we got our bags. Anyways, let me put this aside. Yeah, and this was actually a cute thing. They also had a stand there where you could personalize your t-shirts and get t-shirts or even coats, jackets. No, I don't know the word. I will check it. Yeah, and they will made it at that moment. It was amazing, very well organized. I really love that. One thing that I want to mention is that they will give you a bottle of water. So if you had to participate, now let's see, in the qualification round we got the number. Let me see my first number. This little bit. So we had the number, a bottle of water, and this thing here. Yeah, which was amazing. Okay, so in the first day I didn't have to participate. Like I said, I only did the tour and got my accreditation and a little thingy here. Now I was tired and I sleep a little, but yeah. So the next day, which was Thursday, yes, we had to participate in 2 rounds. I had to participate actually in 2 rounds. First was qualification group E for individual, and then pairs. Yeah, and pairs group D with my husband, which, as I told you, it's not a puzzler. Yeah. How'd that go?
Sara, perché ti amo? Ti piace piano piano? Asta cântă. Sara, perché ti amo?